Choose your player. SMES. How can you limit the loss of points and coins and avoid game over? IoTwins is the bonus to unlock all levels. Create your digital avatar, aka digital twin, to defeat every monster. The adventure continues! Predictive artificial intelligence plus big data equals simpler managing of complex systems. You can avoid all obstacles if your digital twin smashes them first. Industrial component anomaly identification. IoTwins can check the health of your machinery and its components, identifying issues and analyzing the root cause. Production process result classification. IoTwins can verify the correct production of an element. It can also predict when a production process is faulty, stopping it before it can reach completion. Component life left. IoTwins can even tell you how much life your components have left and how long it'll last by predicting the remaining lifespan. You've unlocked the next level! Are you ready to meet SMES 2 and bring your business to the next level? Find out how on iotwins.eu.